Hey Internet, welcome back to Easy Riding. I'm Zac.
My name's Emma.
We're headed out today to the city of Scottsdale, downtown Scottsdale, or Old Town Scottsdale as they call it. Gonna take a look around, show you what that place is like.
Scottsdale is one of my favorite downtown areas to visit in Arizona. It has a lot of very nice shops and a lot of history to it and a lot of activity.
Yeah, it'll probably be pretty busy down there, but not too bad, I would imagine.
The city of Scottsdale, the area, was established in around the late 1800s by an army chaplain named Winifred Scott. And he saw the opportunity for farming and ranching and good sources of water and agriculture. So he purchased 640 acres to start a farming operation. And that's kind of how Scottsdale got started. The downtown area that we're going to take you guys to is known as Old Scottsdale, and it was established in 1894. And you can still see some of the original buildings as well as a lot of new stuff, and we'll show you some of the old buildings and some of the new stuff. Scottsdale has a lot of varied interests and events. It hosts the Barrett-Jackson car show every year, as well as the Arabian horse show and the Parada del Sol parade, which is horse-drawn carriages mostly. So it gives a big nod to the old western town feel of it. They also have lots of arts festivals and culinary festivals, food festivals. They have lots of good restaurants. There's lots of people that go down and do pub crawls, or you could take a horse-drawn carriage from place to place. It has a lot of industrial and business buildings. Zac used to work in Scottsdale.
We had a small office up real close, basically in downtown Scottsdale, yeah. Scottsdale has always had a bit of a hoity-toity sort of feeling to it.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a joke that it's trying to be California or something along those lines. It's got, there's a lot of wealth moves into Scottsdale.
Yeah,
so
wealth and affluence, definitely. Yeah. If you're looking for an affordable neighborhood, Scottsdale's not really one of them. Scottsdale is known for its architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright has done some buildings and stuff down here, as well as some other architects. It's also known for its agriculture and arts areas. There's lots of little art galleries in and around the area, which is kind of fun. Coming into Old Town, off Scottsdale Road. Company over here on the right is one of the original buildings. Zac has to drive, so we can revisit that. Yeah, you can see it's already pretty busy down here today, probably because it is spring training season here in Arizona. So we have lots of people from out of town that come in specifically to watch the spring training baseball games. So it might be a little more busy than we expected. Lane filtering is allowed in Arizona. Lane splitting is not. But this guy right up here is showing you how lane filtering can work. Here's the Sugar Bowl. This is also one of the original, it was built in the 1950s, this place was, and it's still owned by the same family.
I think we're going to do lunch there at Cienagaves.
Thankfully, we're a motorcycle, so it might be a little easier to find parking than for a car.
Yeah, there's all kinds of specialty parking for motorcycles.
Yeah, sometimes they do have dedicated motorcycle parking.
I just sort of meant wherever you can find a spot, but that too.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Pedestrians. Don't take out the pedestrians.
I make no promises.
Obviously. I don't think they're supposed to park there.
Actually, with all of the activity in downtown right now from the extra people in town, it's probably not a smart idea to park on a sidewalk or something with a motorcycle. I bet you're more likely to get a ticket right now.
Probably. Or someone knocks it over. Scottsdale's nickname is the West's most western town. It was a moniker that was adopted in the late 1800s when Scottsdale first became a thing as a way to encourage people to come into the town, to encourage tourism and get people interested in coming and visiting Scottsdale. And as such, a lot of the styling and details has been strictly kept to an Old West feel to it, the buildings and the atmosphere and different things like this.
Most important though.
Food.
Lunch.
Yes.
All right, so food at Cienagaves.
Tacos and the salad. That's kind of like tacos.
Looks pretty awesome. Let's eat it. All right, we just got done at Cienagave. It was an excellent lunch. I quite enjoyed my tacos.
You always enjoy that restaurant though.
All right, so I think we're gonna hit just a couple of spots.
All around here, so we're right here. All around here are all of the historic buildings that are original to the area and some of the oldest buildings in and around this area.
So this is one of the shops here in downtown. It's sort of a lot of what you're gonna see in some of these shops with the lots of handmade craft items and
Native American jewelry.
Southwestern style jewelry and furniture and
Hey, look. I found a...
Bring me out. Oh wait, do not touch.
All right, let's see if we got that with a sidearm to start. Try to get that off the top. Hold on, just get my distance. All right. There you go. Huh? You want more? Yeah.
We got a historical museum for the city of Scottsdale.
Winfield Scott and Helen Scott with their mule mod. The building that we're in is the Little Red Schoolhouse, and it was one of the original buildings here. The outside is still red, the inside's been redone to reflect that.
All right, that has been our tour of Scottsdale. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Thanks for a beautiful ride.